and welcome to How to Run Domain MASST. MASST is a cutting-edge algorithm that can search billions of mass spectra in seconds and return every sample where your compound occurred across an entire database. However, MASST results often look like this, a long list of file names without any information on what that sample was or why it was collected. Domain MASST solves this problem by enriching MASST results with useful metadata, allowing you to quickly visualize where your compounds are detected across microorganisms, plants, tissues, and more. Ometa provides 5 publicly available MASST databases containing over 100,000 mass spectrometry samples. We also allow you to create your own custom MASST databases, letting you tailor results to your research questions. So let's do Domain MASST. The easiest way to run a MASST search is directly from a molecular network. If you're not familiar with molecular networks, each circle or node here represents a metabolite, and edges between nodes indicate that there is structural similarity between those two metabolites. Just click on any node, whether it has a library match or not, and click the Mass Spectrum button here. This will pull up Ometa's MASST server, where you can choose your search parameters. Today, all I'm going to do is change the database we're searching to Domain MASST. Now, all I need to do is click MASST molecule with USI. The search will complete in a few seconds, and when it's done, you can check out the datasets, files, and individual matches to your compound. You can also visualize Domain MASST trees here. In this case, our compound was only detected in fecal and urine samples. The pie charts indicate how often the compound was detected in each sample group, which you can always check by hovering over the pie. For example, this compound is detected in both healthy and diseased samples, but it's more likely to show up in female patients with inflammatory bowel disease. Let's check out a compound that's a little more widespread, caffeine. Here, I've manually added the spectrum peaks from caffeine, which is a nice way to go if you just want to copy-paste directly from an MGF file. Once my parameters are set, I just click the MASST molecule with spectrum peaks button. You'll see we get a lot more matches here, including a lot of domain MASST matches. To make this a little easier to look at, we can visualize each domain MASST separately using these tabs. For example, in our plant MASST results, we can see caffeine detected in coffee, as well as tea. There are several other ways to run MASST searches in Ometa, including high-throughput methods that allow you to search entire networks. If you'd like to learn more about MASST, please contact us at the link below. Thanks for watching.